Alright, so it's finally here. I got the new FLX bike, so I'm going to be opening this up. It comes with very sturdy packaging and a very solid box, so that's pretty cool. And I've got my two helpers here. They're going to help me cut it open, so you enjoy your bag. Alright, so yeah, let's have some fun. Okay. Okay, so we got the bike opened up, the box opened up. Let's take a peek inside. Yeah, so looks cool. Let's keep it going.
Oh, Dad, can I see that to show to your audience?
Sure.
Audience, here's how you ride a bike.
Okay, well, bike is all put together. It's all done. Definitely took, some time and adjustments with things, but for the most part, it's pretty straightforward. The manual was nice, but the YouTube video was actually just so much better. Straightforward. I was able almost to keep up with the same pace, so that was cool. The only issue that I had was the breakaway piece that comes on the front wheel. And this little piece goes on it to try to just kind of support and protect the wheel. One of the sides was broken off, and so the only thing that was showing was this little nub. So I had to finagle my way to get that nub out. But for the most part, it was pretty straightforward. A couple of frustrating pieces, but it was good. Like I said, I got the touring package, so the carriage is already there, and I haven't put on the cell phone holder, but that's cool, and the light was already on it. Front light and rear light as well. Thank you, Papa.
Sorry, I like your bike.
You like my bike?
Yeah.
All right. Well, I like it too.
It's a cool bike.
You think so?
Yes, it can hold a phone.
Yes, it can hold a phone.
Can I ring this?
No, you can't ring it.
Okay.
Okay. So, give the bike a once over, and yeah, looks pretty good. So, check it out. Yeah, I should probably put the seat in, but the seat is pretty straightforward. Just putting that inside there. So, alakazam, alakazoo. Okay, next up is the test drive.